guys, welcome and welcome back. I want to spend the day with you guys. First, we start by roasting chicken and potatoes. Chicken and potatoes are now ready. They are very well cooked, and let me tell you guys, they turned out so delicious, and we served that with a glass of cold juice.
Left a star glowing in your eyes when I'm not aware. You left a scar. I fall into your lies all again. Where'd you go? Where'd you go? Where'd you go? Let me feel it. Let me feel it. Fall into you. I found the rain dripping down your eyes when I'm not around. I found myself, but I fall into your lies all again.
Later on, we decided to go out for some late lunch, so come along with me.
Where'd you go? Let me feel it. Let me feel it. Fall into you.
So just before we arrived at the resort, we saw an helicopter that was about to take off, and let me tell you guys, people out here have money. That guy uses an helicopter as his means of transport, so I had to stop and capture the moment.
When I'm with you, I am able to keep pushing my limits, and all the drive that I have, well, I'm going the distance with you. I didn't know what I had till I knew I was missing, and everything that I dread, well, I built a resistance with you. I could look at you for days. Time was well spent, that's when I knew that I need to spend my life here with you. Take your time, not in the fast lane. I understand that you've been broken too many times, but I'll be waiting to mend your wounds from all you've taken. But if we listen,
That was how my Valentine turned out. And guys, thank you for showing me love on my previous vlog. Kindly don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. I truly, truly appreciate. Thank you so much for your support.